So, hi everyone, my name is Badal Kumar Singh और मुझे total 3 years का work experience है. So I have worked with Amazon, Swiggy, Instamart, and currently working at a Dubai-based e-commerce company. So in 3 years के work experience में मुझे भी बहुत issues होते थे, बहुत difficulty होती थी job को find करने में and all. So it initially बहुत difficult होता है for refresher and all to find a job. Hence so in order to cater all this issue जो कि मैंने face किया है and other people should not face, so I have made this channel और मैं इस पे रोज daily I will try to post the job videos and share the link in the description below. You can apply from there. So I hope it uh, benefits you and you can share with many people where if your friends are watching, if anybody is in need, you can share with them. And please do subscribe my channel and like this video, and please put a notification bell icon also so that you can get the notification daily on a daily basis. I will post this video every day morning. So let's start. So this job is for Google, as you all know, and the location is Bangalore. So this is for software developer job post, and it is for Pixel watches, right? So let's get into the detail of this. So about Google, so you all know what are the missions and all. Organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. Devices and services team integrates AI software and hardware, innovates with new technology and form factor, improves user integration through intelligent design and all. Right. So about the role, what is the about the role? It's for as I told you, ये Google Pixel Watch software team के लिए है and for the development of this for better and performance, stability, seamless, just testing and deployment and everything. For that only, this team is hiring for this role. What are the minimum qualifications? So, bachelor's in embedded system or related like computer engineering, computer science and all. You should have 1 year of work experience in software development and skills in Python, C++, C, Java and or JavaScript. अगर ये आपके पास skills हैं, ये criteria आप meet करते हो, then you should apply for this. Preferred क्या है? You can see experience in consumer wearables, mobile products, and masters in embedded systems. Responsibilities क्या है इसमें? Develop software for Pixel Watch system, contribute in kernel, DSP, storage, and work with the silicon vendors. Focus on thermal charging, new board, bring up enhanced performance, battery life, software quality, work cross-functionally to propose features and improvements. Right. These are the things which you will work for.